Before I address this gathering, I request that all of us to be upstanding to observe 1 minute of silence in honor of our innocent daughters who perished in an accident in Utumishi Girls Academy. Enatenga tutende twensi edaikemo tokire toena namasikani asa abana 15 omo baye omuliro alya nakuru edaikemo tokire. I pray to God to give strength and comfort to the children's family who perished in the tragedy at Utumishi Girls School. I also appeal to the heads of institutions to ensure that dormitories, doors and windows can be opened easily to enable quick exit in case of such incidents. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me an immense joy to join you today as we celebrate 63 years since our nation attained self-governance, a landmark achievement that marked the beginning of Kenya's journey towards freedom and progress and set the stage for the prosperous nation we proudly call our home today. I extend my heartfelt greetings to all, to all the people of Kisii County and the Kenyans across the country. I also send warm regards to our brothers and sisters living in different parts of the Kenya, all of the world. I thank you for your unwavering love and commitment to our county despite the distance. Allow me to sincerely thank all who have gathered here today in a true demonstration of patriotism, unity, and love for our county. Your presence reflects the enduring spirit of nationalism that continue to bind us together as one people. Today marks a defining chapter in our national history, a reminder of courage, resilience, and sacrifice of heroes and heroines who fought tirelessly for the freedom and dignity we enjoy today. As we celebrate this important occasion, we pay tribute to all gallant sons and daughters of this nation who sacrificed greatly for the liberation of our country. Here in our community, we proudly remember liberation heroes such as Otenyo Yamaratandi, Sakawa, Ogwora, Bitenga, and Nyamacharachara, whose bravery and determination remained a source of inspiration to the generations. The struggle championed by these patriots eventually paved the way for the constitutional reforms and evolved system of governance that has empowered counties and brought service closer to the people. Ladies and gentlemen, as we we mark this special day, I urge every resident of Kisii County to remain hopeful and united because our county continues to make meaningful progress. When I took office as your second governor, I made a solemn commitment that my administration would uphold integrity, fight corruption, and serve the people diligently in appreciation of overwhelming trust and confidence you bestowed upon me. I pledge to lead this county with honesty, transparency, fairness, and unwavering dedications to the welfare of our people while championing meaningful development that the county had long been deprived of since advent of devolution. Today, just as we do during other national celebrations, I wish to take this opportunity to briefly highlight some of significant milestones and achievement we have made over the last 4 years since you entrusted me with the responsibility of leading this great county. To start with, I commend the Department of Infrastructure, Roads and Public Works for undertaking significant projects aligned with my manifesto and the County Integrated Development Plan, CIDP. My administration recently acquired multi-million heavy road machineries, including excavators, graders, rollers. Today you have seen tippers have come in, and probably in another 2 weeks, the remaining tippers will be delivered. Engineers and other technical officers are already on the ground, while machinery is actively being deployed to open up and improve roads in all 45 wards. I want to say this, I have been closely monitoring the ongoing works, both day and night, and I can assure you that I have a team including MCAs, officers, local, and other stakeholders fully committed to supporting me in delivering on my promise to improve the road. And I want to stay here and I want to make a request to the county commissioner, because you are new. I'm engaging all the chiefs, all the assistant chiefs, my coordinators in the wards to make sure this work is coordinated, because this is the only way we can achieve. When people, they will see you as a chief, umesimama hapa, hakuna mtu ataleta mchezo. Kwa hivyo, good people, our chiefs, naomba tafadhali tutashirikiana. Hata kama ni maji, mimi nitatoa maji ya nyinyi kukunywa. Muhakikishe kwamba barabara zetu zimetengenezwa. As we are doing it, pia nimeweka mpango to recruit 30 people from every ward, ambao kazi yao itakuwa ni kutoa mchanga kwa mitaro, vile vile ku open culverts, na wale ambao wataweka uchafu kwa drainages wanaambiwa, na wale wanafunga drainage zinatolewa 30 every month. Na hao watu watakuwa wanakula mshahara ya shilingi 10,000 kila mwezi. Lakini itakuwa kwamba unafanya mwezi moja, unaacha wengine wanafanya nini? Wanafanya. Kwa hivyo kutoka sasa mpaka wakati wa kura, tutakuwa na watu 20,050 ambao watakuwa wamekula pesa ya county. Tunasema bameno bokovo. Mwanja boigo. Ngoge kwa nande baadaye. Allow me to read it through this. As a government, we are now focused on doubling the total number of kilometers of roads constructed since I assumed office 4 years ago. Secondly, ladies and gentlemen, in the Department of Health, my administration is fully committed to strengthening both creative and preventive health care for the people of Kisii. Since taking office, I'm proud to report that maternal death have significantly reduced. At the same time, I'm pleased to report that ordinary deaths have reduced from 50% to 13%. And since I took office, the KTRH can now go for 2 or 3 days without witnessing any death. We have also built a functional health system that serves our people from the Kisii Teaching Referral Hospital down to dispensaries in every village in the county. We recently acquired and delivered essential medical equipment and machineries aimed at improving services to our people. At Kenyanya here hospital, my administration has invested, and I want to repeat, my administration has invested a total of 74 million towards the improvement of mother and child hospital. I can tell you, God willing, in another 2 weeks or 3, Kenyanyaga nanyolete mwisani omya togenda tukosaine moyo nkwaga chatore mother child wing ya 74 million katesi yo mheshimiwa Amos ayangasa ngamde. My brother, let me check. Igo mheshimiwa, I can assure you, you asked for 50 million, but these guys, they have accepted to give me 74 million for Kenya. Additionally, we have deployed 2 doctors. We have deployed 2 doctors and anesthetics to strengthen service delivered at the facility. More nurses will also be deployed to further enhance health service. This initiative will be duplicated across other hospitals in the county to ensure quality service to our people. In the forward budget, my government will also station will station more ambulances in every sub-county hospital to foster emergency response and health services. Tintageti, going forward, nga emergency atoke irega ya Kenyanya, omonta kugaiga, esenge ambulance ete yoro. Ese budget ena rosiri. Aba ishimiwa ba wait in another 2 weeks. Kobe kande ambulance in every sub-county. Erororo. Onye emergency teyo mbia. Lakini onye emergency keroro, it will attend to any emergency. My good people, the department is performing well in diagnosing services, which shows that we are adequately prepared to handle most illness, except those that may be required to be transferred. I therefore urge you to have confidence in our health professionalism. They are well trained, skilled, and equipped with the necessary tools to provide quality diagnostic service. I have undertaken to visit all our facilities at different times to closely monitor service delivery and ensure all patients receive quality, efficient, compensation medical care at all times. Ekera moja kondora na adisaidi mnango cheki chiparabutuko na mugaso nechinyatari chons chingurumbu ate nechinyinge ko making sure nonde in all our 45 wards. You got prepared. My officers, I'll be there. I'm encouraging also my MCAs, Mokoberoro, no ena ekwara etali moigo. Wache ko service njigendret. I entebe ko wetire. Nye service stay. Ngo chororo. 200 station mne. Ekero se nini mwato ete chikura. Kose nini to ko regas. ini kose nini ji boss je ego. As you are aware, the County Public Service Board recently concluded interviews for health professionals in an exercise that was carried out with utmost professionalism, transparency, and free from corruption. By the end of this month, all successive candidates will receive their appointment letters and join health workers in strengthening and improving healthcare service delivery across the county. Balibali bonsi biba akora interview chobo nyaktari 300 weikomo yali bomuti enyoyo konyoro bara marubabo abantu ba apply te barenge 4700 abantu tokwa marube 300 igo balibande nintagetemba bange ndolenga kibao tokonya on a voluntary basis so that the second advert tuoi balibao tokonya mna volunteers ko nyaktari tobalike. Recently I held a meeting with our doctors who assured me if there is readiness or their readiness to travel to Congo and support the country in fight against Ebola. Abanyagitali baitu abandenga no ende totakeire manya confidence babwat onye Congo geto ganeti ndole de braga lakini mbatagita bagenda bachukorwali because they believe in themselves. And I want to encourage you, my brothers and sisters who are doctors, for those ones of you who are willing, we will support you. We will make sure even the national government supports you. Ekiagere neibe iras mebuene ata isionye te kubwena oburere bunkobonyora tolega. Ladies and gentlemen, Bakani Bagen. Bakani Bagen. Kenya ngima. Gabo number 7. Kenya ngima. Embwato munyaktari oyo otaligo toka na wanyenke neji. Omosvati or specialist asoborwere bwa cancer borobere. Omosvati oya korangiri wandons mpaka UK. Mondo mno yatakerwe ntoko mukani ikera barumba bwate obumanyi dazi babakonye umwanya bantu igaba nyaktali bali bayirule. We will support you as long as the national government assures us like rumwajire muri gwera na burwe wose nabereyo nyasaye naro oh yeah nyasaye naro kibara kuigoro bakira. Ladies and gentlemen, in the Department of Education, Technical Training and Innovation, beside constructing and equipping modern early childhood development education, ECD classrooms across the county, we launched the free milk program that's now benefiting over 68,000 young ones 3 days a week. Mabera inkonywe wale abana nkonyi barabarabake na promissory we komo tinyonane ekerba ko yoreta ya gatatu abana ba grade 1 na grade 2 na baronkonyi baramabera modage tabanywa mabera ukwaga jatole a milk factory alibosongo ya isire koera astoja kugura amabere kurwa sabalem nalitora abana ba grade 4 5 na 5 lakini eyo no mwako mulya naboigo twarosiriji bekari ikominemo asemegati ekorosiwa yabana nabantu baje okorega siyororo nabangi nababuraka wana oburaka bara bangema pole esenge jogo seriliwa nabagaka baino lakini nyasaye naroro ntaye tukobatebinga gochimotu nkuba bugolera endeme kyando ya ino nanche na inwe moko limit yenye bere gose tato mwatikira abande so that sub county ya ino ababura kabarororo banyoli bagana barwa meno oboke bwe county igo na lazima tuakishenga no mubura kole ayo ndo musaja atamete ose kwagere to musaja agatama ayega sinenga otokwa mo wanja boigo bona nganchere nkole ngote baiga nganchere nkole ngote baiga amach naro lengege ndekabandi kira kyangege tambe mono nabasoso mu mwisaranza chinsa ibere masakara karibu 10 na alengaye use mwarosire amasakara emeronge ibere ne ibere bono na kinadi saideringa atigambu tolere gati muma edina nega astole ase chi ward 45 ntogendrete kuagacha amachi ebitacho chibohol na water schemes ebasari tokoenana oso mwakoyo milioni 315 eya bana ba grade 11 and 12 11 first 11 12 dalibo bono iga abana ba grade 10 ntwabate kifom kibesa kiri kyatigarete ase wodi eno mbai cholet ntotagete nibaita bande banyolet emocha niba emaite kromonda anyole igo itali basari ine gendo togo support kromonda basari yeye nechibesa chink lakini bali banyora na ene moja gotiga bali batanyole tina barwa kolege ndikeke banyole abantu bali banyolire around irenga isa inyebono ntoje to check kerba apply to robe banyolire traba tiga to bali batranyola mo wanja boigo as involvement nona tebira mangana ya mache ntayenga total of 31 boreholes 50 water schemes and 96 springs to Arati regions. Asamangana sports. Let me read this. In the Department of Youth, Sports and Culture, Arts and Special Services, the iconic Goose Stadium is currently undergoing a major facelift to transform it into a modern state-of-the-art sports complex with a world-class sporting facility. This is one of the key projects I personally requested His Excellency the President William Ruto to support for the benefit of our people in Kisii. Teroge ndegeti kya bosongo keyeli unse gyoms nkwaga jikerobo jia na requested the President William Ruto agancha akanga 1 billion Kenya shillings a contract again at the cross. Kabere egetije to kende yasunek abantu babete compensated to atebire basuke kuruororo a president jabegete 500 million ko improve a runway na ndege lia 36 passengers na 76 iranyali kuguororo chirichine ne wekemia te kunyara kugwa echikogwa Kisumu onyendi twabate runway enene nabo chikogwa chindege nchiro chitali koguno nyenje KAE ali Nairobi eliye kubuguli abantu 800 te kunyara kugwa rekiara airport yetu nenge iga airport yetu gaiga katesi president wanchiranire negende te korosibwa kabere echiro ya daraja mbili mwenye manyete abange nambali bakora agendo aya nganjira abantu bali mayiga yani abantu bali bakwana mayiga yani abamra once piva soke kurwo abantu mutuga bakirete bali mol mayiga gaiga mtoke hapo hao wasanii watoke hapo hao watu wanaongea hapo officers nisaidie hao watu wanaongea hapo lazima hao wamenyamaza wao wanaongea kule nyuma daraja mbili a week eliaet njaba advertised ne president akabekoro 1 billion Kenya shillings nge chireli mugasotoligo chigo waka bantu mburaterigo chigo twera bantu echiro ya suneka 500 million jabe advertised aiga bokimonge abo machoge bravo dirna swetobis aba MC haba baka suma ekena ta ite kubeka industrial park angao na ta ite nyire nyangweta bada nyangweta nyibeke more central place nkanyereta tongeli ondo taragenda tongeli ntege togenda orolega siegendre tororo ya chiru bono igan kapros chiko beko e president ngochere umutienyi oyo tare 22 koigora tongeli mutage tachiche gostachicha achiche gostachicha industrial park area investor yaruete Dubai ekarawa nyerora akagworo nendege akaoyenus ya industrial park no akobeka a factory yokorosia mabuta kurwa safcard akoni wa tingma osemo ma tenga chaf kado jiwata mabuta amabuta ale expensive sengi mane afcard mongwano olia kobekale investment ya $10 million echire 1.3 billion Kenya shillings abantu karibu 200 bao machoke burabuga na kusina buranyo bake bagoswa konyora baliga smuinali no to rakawa koma David ngoro yeso liekawa Toza kwa hiyo ndora ta ekawa investe hiyo ya avocado obole maega ya tongeli na tebe tenga kito momente katwa momentire ata ite ko make your factory ye kawa tari kawa etokonyo bakurusie gento kereme ge koru caffeine iyo ke koba e factory ya kabere ensengima korus caffeine yenere korosia energy drinks worldwide mongwano nate ngata itaros nabeke 5.6 billion Kenya shillings aiga and I can assure you monto yakawanja machoge na kusiyeto ya bere moyo wetra industrial park omwenyo na ndebege ndekene tambikia lenge chipara chetu ndaitentele chiwodi 45 Jones etobegete chipara e municipality yetu ya Boso olio menyetor naro chinga kitoa bekire cabros chipara konyora chiria matobe oka togendret ogembo ya itoga chipara chirororo ningendrete cross cabros ogembo ya itoga nimbegete enyagitari ya 300 million egendete kwa gacho mpaka no ine daraja ili agwete no mheshimiwa Mangi na ngoli bono na mtua eyintua rose wakora esenge engineer municipality yetu chibesechi ne chire chibese chino konyora chitayo ndaido tebaiga bosongo ali bosongo ntua bwate site kurukunyambera nyambere ya watu bochabo obonge koru mwaka 1957 nalitua bwate lakini watu kuwa na bono iga nyambere onyerole konyore sva kurusia malito abantu babikoro chinsot chakoraki chali ororo dero nabo kogenda no mwanchugo ayembali bakoegana mutu mokororo omonyunyunte bakinega stole osenga santari toko nywanchera bintu bine byo mbikoba manyanga agaba nginambaro abanambaro lakini we ne kuboko ganeti na bo wakwe kebo nonyekero Yesu achiete kanisa akanyora bantu bako ni kanisa ime kosa abasabirete kanisa na masabo tali boygo iko ngenchende yonse no chobe nangwate no mujumbe gosote buna monto de bwese to ngaina aso mukutano mnoyo wala handle bono iga ntobo chief marawaba koligie to kwandol obwene osera berego ntogo tuare serikali aso konyora eche kando nekiro to kwelesra abantu igo aye ukire tukubange naende togotebi ngagas tijo ya national government erega bumachoge bora na umuntu korukuruto president takobe maraika amanyenge para erekenyenya nembere takumanyenge yakwenda lyo kindo nembere lazima abarai bamotebi no muntu ororo komotebi no mujumbe no enekero mwanga inenere ayoko yirie ngolinse oraletere abantu bawo gento kiek ebinto wose na berego genda mu machoge chachega kilomita 75 chieret genda bosoro mata chipare chigende te crossku 56 kilometers chinya genda boge tutu ya rugoro ogosoka kurwe rami wasio milie rami ende genda nyaribari chache ogosoka kurwe rami waso yende bono iga nechinde bagendret mo wancha abantu bamintu president bubasi ko gosoka kurwa kwanywa neliko lyo gosoka umachoge bora kwasoka kurwa kwanywa ne poto lyo komera neliko karatiga kitutu chache sawa etwa sabe president chipara 30 kilometers kurunyatieko mpaka Bukusero agachaga bubasi tukomasaba kurumugonga mpaka Nyacheki also 30 kilometers igaiga nka musabanga Mr. President karando seriji daraja chiroro no echi para chiroro echi bwa the portal next No, in 22nd or in 22 days. Kago chaga. Ntota gete tumo sabe para. Okay, the watch. Okay, the watch. Da miteyo kutatike yetene etire to kuchia. E para yera mani gaga bugeka teyo mpaka bugiranga. Motagete kago cha mubolie parejo. Ayamos ayechate na bali bandi mokubolio bojumbe itukelio ntagete lazima mutoko tiganda abate aba MC aba embaita million 27 chegasi tali baita ba control ba ko project 27 million lakini kando neyo mne governor ngotwara ndi chibesa chigotigara nakikwaro mheshimiwa Amos amboli nyaktari namdenga na akoire 50 million mheshimiwa yondo yako mboli namde na akoire equivalent ne president na bere na governor ne bwate nyongene ne omwemi inchere kusine be moyo bono muko nganjira se nkomera ne president ato ekende yonsra nyale kolet abangira be chiro balema echiro ya no gari Amos time konyara kubeka bese chororo Amos yande governor ga kin konyere chiro igaiga bono iga grill se chiko beko bono iga cabros se chigende korosiwa enyaktari iga twabekire cabros besicho Amos time konyara kuchinyora week kanga Amos yagende tekonda Amos time temete konda mali molioka mwaroje ka kebindo bya sarigete lakini Amos injwa Amos ra ko boli kende yos keligeti garete namwa delibi yaigo toena abana kubwata nyumba naro gutuma ogenda naro ko iminji ningoko amabere Amos tariboigo ayenjuga omongnoli omongnoyo no komonyora buone anja nditigoro yechipara chaboe mpaka ekero president yachaga nero sabete immediately akasabe police station president yadenga ki police station yebe kumugonga omongno ta ukwero umugane tia kwero etera abantu bage gazi mheshimiwa ugugunchwa mheshimiwa ugugu bono iwedo wa kwana yaya ekore kana geto kikaro aye lakini ndianda ateba mheshimiwa oyo nansaba mpaka no ene nyaktari yeriga ya magenji konyero stole mwede esenge bakora ko ukwa nengenjo gete ona kwa weigule I am my brother chipara chaboye amache nambolia ikiera abantu bamagenji nabane nabaye nainche tingo tikabantu bane igo mheshimiwa let us fix magenji bochibarabo mheshimiwa bochibarabo nara bochibarabo emechando nero lakini ntoje tonye fix mokumya aba batatu muchando toyo monene tigatokole gas nkolere gagwe ntagetendore abantu ba Kenyanya abantu bagusi abantu ba machoge bravo mole tayari tokolegas ninki mwangete mbakorere Bakie bintu byose binakolere. Nobonyera nkubeka busongo. Bali bobonyeramo bamanyete. Ndaite ko batebiga. Tinko babo kamranka nkari gateraga gaikara kamranka. Gachega. Naka nandi kiri bisano. Ya taliaye. Taliaye. Embara baba. Omwana oli ku skulu ya Kenyenya comprehensive. Na ikagenda. Egateba kati ninete omuntu olinse akabitoa litimo. Tali boigo. Tayete ko denga ki inubna abantu bane. Mwamonyole. Kamoshi kaligati. I want to finish. Onya taracha mwete nakachi beseke kamnyo kapaka nyumba. Kenyenya hoye. Bomachoge hoye. Gusi hoye. Tigangondole mwensi gaiga. Wose mwaigule nchiri narandiri kongoro kyoko boko igoro iganya muliga. Mugane tingendele kubakolegas. Osenda myake. Mbakolegas. Mule tayari. No on the site, I'll make sure na abakolegas no mukolere ino. Bantu bali bakuoga nga Simba mboka ngumbu nesagasaga koraki ekonya kuoga rochi. I'll make sure na akolera bantu bana. With those many remarks, I want to welcome the County Commissioner to read the speech of the President. County Commissioner, Karibu.